Attention, there has been an emergency. Attention. There has been an emergency reported in the building. Proceed immediately and proceed immediately in an orderly manner. Do not run to the nearest exit and leave the building.
It's not even that loud.
Attention.
LQM.
There has been an emergency. Proceed immediately. Attention.
This was literally my height.
There has been an emergency reported in the building. Proceed immediately in an orderly manner. Do not run to the nearest exit and leave the building. Attention.
There's another Lithonia LQM. System seems to be working just fine. It's spectrular advanced speaker strobes, and the bathrooms have remote strobes. These are not even that loud. Oh my gosh. I was approaching the Y and I saw lights flashing, and I also saw a street light flickering, which confused me. However, I think they just silenced the alarms just now. This is quite an event. Pretty crazy. So the system was just reset. This was just a false alarm. I didn't see anyone like outside of the building, which is kind of why I knew it was okay to go inside. However, I'm very glad I got to capture this, and I'm very glad I didn't come to the Y earlier. I'm glad I came later. However, there was no actual emergency. I don't know what could have been the trigger of the alarm, but it was just a false alarm. Pretty crazy event. And this is at least the first time I filmed a fire alarm activation on this channel. I know I haven't been filming as much fire alarm content lately, more exit sign content. However, that's everything here. It's a very modern system, as you can tell. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you all enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.